I'm just an earthen vessel.
Hallelujah! The Women of Royal Destiny has come up with the National Convention 2026. Theme: Prepared Vessel for Glory. Romans chapter 9, verse 23. Date: 5th to 9th of August 2026. Weekdays 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Sundays 7:30 a.m. Venue: the Champions Cathedral of Rainbow Christian Assembly, 77 Airport Road, Uborikoko, Efru, Warri. Speakers: Mommy Rhoda, Heman-Ackah, and other anointed ministers of God. Artists: Women of Royal Destiny Choir, and there's going to be lots of drama, lots of jokes, quiz, and plenty of activities. The hosts: Apostle Dave and Mommy Rhoda, Heman-Ackah. Women of Royal Destiny, a galaxy of women moving with God's cloud of glory. Rainbow.